So color for me, it expresses my feelings, and it just accentuates everything that we do. And that's really what balloons do at parties. They accentuate the celebration. So when we're coming up with colors and different palettes that we're creating, it's really just to help artists convey that mood that they're trying to express. Really, in the next 5 to 10 years, it's all about how else can we grow in this industry? Are there other sizes, other products that artists might want? When I sit back and see artists using our balloons, I'm pretty proud that that's a color that our team were able to bring into the industry and offer to people to make their events just awesome. Balloons are really unique. They convey celebration, whether it's a single balloon blown up or whether it's 10 balloons in a cluster or in a bouquet. You're saying, I love you, I care about you, and I want you to have a great day.